Mrs. Stone.
Welcome to Playing with Sounds. I'm Mr. Stone, and here are our sounds for today. Let's check these sounds real quick. First sound, ah. Ah, you say it. S. S. Mmm. Mmm. T. T. P. P. All right, you ready? Let's make some words with these sounds. First word I want you to make is set. Set. What's the first sound you hear in set? S. Good job. Next sound in sat. Sat. What's that next sound? Ah. Sat. What's the last sound you hear in sat? T. Good work. Sat. I sat in a chair. Now, I want you to change the word sat to met. Met. Which sound do I need to change? Excellent. So let's take that sound out and let's bring met. What's that first sound? Mat. Mat. I have a yoga mat. Do you have a mat? Now we're going to change mat to pat. Pat. What sound do I have to take away? Excellent. What sound do I need for pat? P. Pat. Pat your back. Now we're going to change pat to Pam. Pam. Which one do I have to change? Excellent. Move the T and now change it to Pam. Good work. I have a friend named Pam. Pam is a girl's name, or Pamela. Now change Pam to Sam. Which one do I have to change now? Good job. So take the pull away. Sam. Sam. I also have a friend named Sam. I know a teacher named Miss Sam. Now change Sam to am. Ooh. So I want you to take one sound away from Sam to make am. Good job. Am. That's one of my favorite books by Dr. Seuss. Sam I Am. Green Eggs and Ham. So am. We have am. I want you to change am to at. At. Which sound do I need to change? Excellent. Bring down the T. At. Now I'm going to add a sound to change at to mat. 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 Namaste on my yoga mat. Change mat to map. Map. Change the T to P. Yep, map. Like I have a treasure map. And last one, change map to tap. Tap. Can you tap on the desk? Tap on the wall? Tap. Good work. All right, so those are our sounds for today. I'm Mr. Stone, and remember to be strong, be kind, and be smart. See you next time.